Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Trying to keep it cool on this one because I got a little soft throat. But look, many people are panicking right now. Panic selling, they're in fear, extreme fear, according to this. And you're probably asking yourself, is now a good time to sell and maybe buy back in when it goes low? And if it does drop further, when's the best time to buy back in? Guys, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful charts, the most powerful, simplest charts that's going to show you exactly where you can buy back in, or if you're waiting for the big drop or a bigger drop, not just now, but for many times to come in the future. This chart's for you. Super clean, super simple, doesn't lie, shows you exactly what it is. If it sounds interesting, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching, stick around for this video. I'm going to try not to be too long on this, but I want to really make you understand how powerful this Trix chart is. Okay, so what is the Trix chart? Before I go any further, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions on the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. The Trix triple exponential average indicator is an isolator used to identify oversold and overbought markets, and it also is a momentum indicator. So pretty much like your RSI and your stochastic RSI. Now I show these all the time when I do, technical analysis. So it's basically using both of these all into one. And you know what? After I've seen this indicator right here, where's it gone? I'm thinking I'm just going to seriously roll with it because it's a seriously powerful indicator. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about here. Take a look at this bottom line, the red area. I'm going to, zoom it in, make it a bit more higher so we can see what's going on. Now we have a gray dotted line in the middle here. This is the 0 mark. It's centered at 0. If we've ever seen this line come below the 0, could be a good time to buy. You could gobble up some price action if you're a day trader. When it goes back above it, then sell it. But if it ever breaks this middle line and comes down and touches this golden line, my God, this is the buy of an opportunity. That's what I'm saying. The buy of a lifetime, whatever you want to call it. This is the serious time to buy, right? And here's my fine example. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to measure everything up so you can see exactly what I mean. And if you want to know how to set this up, I might show you how to do it in the future. Drop some comments, let me know. Patrons of mine, you're going to see this and I'm going to keep you up to date. Just like I keep you up to date with many charts. If you guys don't want to miss it, become a patron. I've got a few tiers. You can take your pick. I'll run through that in a second. Let's just quickly dive into this chart because it's powerful, right? The Trix indicator. Look at this. The last time it came down here and kissed this golden line, you can see right here. I'm going to zoom in. We saw price action fall down here. Oh, just moved it. We saw price action fall down here in the charts, and we saw it come down and kiss this line. Now you're probably thinking, oh, well, it fell lower later on down here. But actually, if you really zoom in here, look at the wick. This wick where it dropped, it measures near enough, spot on to where this, this massive dip is when it's kissing this golden line. And whether you buy here or buy here, it doesn't matter. You're still getting a great buy. And that's what this is all about. Finding these great buys, especially when there's a massive crash in the market. I'm going to zoom out and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look, the next window of opportunity. Look at this. Now, not did it just kiss this golden line, it dipped below it. That was telling me this is a seriously good time to be buying crypto, Bitcoin in particular. Look at this, dipped through it, bang, we saw this massive crash in 2020, right down here. This was a seriously good time to be buying whilst the Trix line was underneath this golden line. Do you see what I'm saying? Let me take it back. Let's go further back. You need to see this stuff. We had the 2018's capitulation, the final crash, bang, comes down, collapsing. Look at this, right down here is a perfect time to be buying. Hold on. Remember what I said, like you got the the gray line. Anytime it's under the gray line, it's a nice time to buy. When it touches this is a good time to buy. Now, you might be thinking, oh, well, buying here is not as low as here. But again, when you're buying in these areas here on the screen, it's not going to make a massive difference when you're riding it up all the way up here. Because whether you buy here or you buy here, you're buying and getting an insane pump when you wait for that time to sell right up here. That's a 295% pump on Bitcoin. So, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for these key signals that can guarantee us some great opportunities to buy. Let's take a look. 2017-18 cycle, massive pump up. Seeing a crash come down, bang. Look what happens here. It comes down, this Trix line comes and dips below this golden line. Look at the precision. The exact precision tells me that this is a fine time to be buying. Now, if you didn't have this, no one would know. You know, many people here thought we were going lower. When we saw this crash here, I thought we were going lower. And then when you saw it go back up, you was like, oh yeah, it's going up to the moon again. People just were unsure, and without having these indicators, you know, you're not really going to know if it's a good time to buy or sell. So, you know, if you was trading that short term, so I got the wrong one here. If you was trading it short term, you know, from here to here, that would have been a good buy, because you would have seen this golden line. It dipped underneath it. You would have bought straight on that bottom dip, you know, and then rode it up. What's that? 95%. These are the gains that people make, especially if you're leveraging as well. Now, I don't recommend leveraging, but people make an absolute killing if they leverage and they're using something like Trix indicator to know when to, you know, buy these, you know, monstrous, atrocious, is that even a word? Disgusting dips. That's what this is about. And the reason I'm bringing this to your attention is because I believe we're going to have another huge dip. And I want to show you exactly where I'm going to be buying again and where my patrons will be buying, because I'm going to let them know. And matter of fact, real quick, if you don't want to miss it, become a patron. I've got 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. Why? Because this is going to tell you all my posts right here. Exclusive VIP partner here. Tier. You see when I buy, sell, stake, all of that, you'll see these indicators. So if you don't want to miss that buy alert, when to buy in, this is what you need, that tier here. Trust me, it's going to help you on your journey. If you can afford it, go for that next tier up. It gives you my super alerts. You get access to my VIP Telegram group. I talk to you way before I do anything. You best believe I'm going to be sharing these posts, these charts to them. They're going to know exactly when to be buying, because that's what this is about. It's about catching these falls and knowing exactly when to buy. Let's quickly go back to this, right? You know, you check that in your own time. My link is in the info section on all my videos. Just check it. I want to take you back because I want to show you that this chart does not joke. Look, if you look here, you're probably thinking, oh, there's quite a few times. But look, they're not touching the golden line. They come close, but it's not touching the golden line. I mean, if you want, like I said, the grey line has always been a good time to buy. It's below it, could be a nice little buy. Look, because you can catch this swing right here. Comes down close to the gold line. You know, buy this little dip here, you know, sell it somewhere up here. And I might make another video showing when the best time to sell is with this Trix indicator. And what I would do with it, you know, when we're bullish again, I'm going to turn this green, you know, the whole chart, make it green and start showing you, you know, price points or chart points when to be taking profits. So, but yeah, until then, let's just carry on with this. I want to take you back, show you further into the past, just to really show you how many times this has been so spot on and precise. Look at this, look. So we had a massive crash here back in 2015 in January, right? Prices come collapsing down. Look, again, we've got the Trix indicator underneath the grey line. It dipped right below the golden line. This is your window of buying opportunity, and look how damn precise this is. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Look at this with precision. Anywhere here that you're buying is a great buy. And again, I'm going to take you back just to show you how powerful this chart really is. Every single monstrous, atrocious, disgusting drop we've had, seriously good time to be buying when it touches this line. Patrons, I'm going to make another video just showing you how to set this up, because I don't think you guys should miss out. I think you guys should watch yourself. But if you want to watch me and, you know, make you know, my alerts keep you alerted, fine. You know, make sure you have that tier where you're buying, because you don't want to miss when you buy this dip. I'm telling you now, serious good time to buy. Even in a bear market. Look, this was 2014's bear market, and I just want to show you, even in a bear market, you can make gains with this, because you're looking and waiting patiently for this Trix line to come straight underneath this golden line, and then when it comes underneath, you're going to buy it. And then look what kind of gains, what kind of pumps you can make. What percentages are we talking? You buy this disgusting drop, it pumps up to somewhere like here, you sell it 155%. Come on, do you see what I'm saying? Drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're liking it. Look, one more and I'm just going to show you where we are today, and this is, you know, going to really help you understand why this Trix indicator is so damn powerful. I'm going to show you guys all the way how I set it up, what numbers I'm using, and all of that stuff. Because you need to know. Look, we had a price fall down here. You know, look, kiss the golden line. Great time to buy. Look, you would have rode it all the way up to here. Boom, look, all the way up to here. You know, and then you got numbers up here, which you can see when the best time to sell is. But again, that's for another video. Look at this last one, look. So we had a massive drop through the gray line, which is the zero entry level. Then you got this golden line right here, which I created. It came straight through the golden line. Anytime through this golden line, I'm buying. And look at the places where you're buying. These massive drops. Now, where are we today? When's going to be the best time to buy today? That's what you want to know. So where we are right now today is we are here. And I'm going to bring it right back so you can see clearly, right, exactly where we are today. So right now today, we're seeing Bitcoin's price come down. Bitcoin's sitting at a price of 34,258 at the time of recording this video. I've got to tell you straight, got to keep it super real. Bitcoin is looking to come down, and I believe that it's going to come down and touch this golden line. Maybe. If it does, when Bitcoin touches this golden line, that could be the bottom, or near enough the bottom of the entire crash, or this bearish momentum for Bitcoin, or a seriously good buying opportunity to be buying Bitcoin when it touches this golden. If it goes through it, sell your house, sell your wife. If you've got a husband, sell your husband, because this is going to be the buying time. So now for me, it's not a time to be buying Bitcoin. It's cheap, great, but it's not the time. Let's wait. And I'm going to bring you another video, and I'm going to try and make sure you guys on YouTube see it as well. But if you don't want to miss out, again, become a patron so you can see. I'm going to make sure they're always up to date with this chart. It's now one of my favorite indicators, and I'm going to be sitting back watching this like a boss. And when it comes down here to this gold area, I'm going to buy it like a boss. Even if I just quickly day trade that and sit patiently and make 150%. If you liked it, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Thank you for watching. Again, my Patreon is in my link in my info section. This is the stuff that I do. You know, I show them charts, I show them what I'm trying to deal with. I'm bringing a video on this if you haven't already seen it on my channel, and making sure they stay prepared. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.